Number 7 Air Mobility Security Squadron provide policing and security services to units that specialise in air mobility, such as the Air Mobility Force here at RAF Police.
The Chinook Force RAF ODM.
The Puma Force at RAF Benson.
And Command Support Air Transport here in London's RAF Northolt.
Wherever they are, aviation security flight are there to protect them overseas.
But it's not all about aircraft and assets. We protect our people too. Over 11,000 service personnel, civil servants and contractors work at our units every day. It's 7 Squadron's job to keep all of them safe too.
Whether that be by deterring, detecting and investigating crime.
Making sure only the authorised personnel gain the security clearance necessary to do their jobs.
Controlling entry to all our sites.
Protecting our vital information.
Embedding aviation security professionals where they're needed most.
Collating, assessing and distributing intelligence products in line with force priorities.
Representing lost women, the Royal Air Force and the UK Armed Forces. Representing Harlequins women, the Royal Air Force, UK Armed Forces and England.
Working hand in hand with our civilian counterparts, including holding responsibility for all prevent referrals across the squadron, part of the nation's counter-terrorism programme.
And all of that is coordinated here at 7 Squadron's headquarters at RAF Bryce Norton.
2021 has been a unique year in terms of 7 Squadron's output. From the 1st of April, they took temporary ownership of an extra 6 units police flights, which will eventually form the new Battle Space Management and Space Security Squadron. Those being RAF High Wycombe, home of Air and Space Command, RAF Honington, home of the Force Protection Force, RAF Bulmer, home of Air Surveillance and Control System, RAF Scampton, home to the Royal Air Force Acrobatic Team, the Red Arrows, RAF Fylingdales, home to our Ballistic Missile Early Warning System and Space Surveillance, and finally RAF Henlow, Centre of Aviation Medicine and other lodger units. In August, 15 7 Squadron personnel deployed on Operation Pitting, the unprecedented airlift evacuation operation that safely evacuated over 15,000 refugees from Kabul Airport in Afghanistan. On top of all that, Number 7 Air Mobility Security Squadron were responsible for all RAF security at this year's G7 conference in Carbis Bay, Cornwall. And finally, in September 21, 7 Squadron dog handlers won an impressive 3 awards at the RAF Police Dog Trials, including Champion, Corporal Webb and Patrol Dog DJ, culminating a very successful year for all at Number 7 Air Mobility Security Squadron.